Think about it, friends. Voyager 2, a small spacecraft that NASA sent into space in 1977, has reached the very edge of our solar system today after 47 years. But what it saw there has shocked scientists all over the world. This was no ordinary mission. It was like opening the door to a secret in front of the eyes of humanity that no one had seen till date. Voyager 2 has sent some strange signals that are very difficult to understand. There is something wrong in that part of space. Such things are happening that are breaking all the rules of science. Some people believe that all this is natural, but many scientists say that perhaps this is evidence of something else, much more frightening. Is there something hidden there that has always been hidden from us? Are we really not alone in this universe? Only a little information was given in NASA's reports, that too in a very confusing and mysterious way. But some leaked data changed everyone's perspective. You will be shocked to hear what Voyager 2's camera captured. This discovery may be the biggest revelation in the history of humanity, so stay till the end of the video, because what you are about to see can change your thinking forever. And yes, if you like mysteries and space stories, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that our next mysterious story reaches you first. History and journey of Voyager 2. In 1977, when the world was not as technologically advanced as it is today, NASA launched a mission that took the dreams of humanity to new heights. That same year, two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were sent into space. The purpose of both of them was to understand our solar system closely and discover the mysteries that were hidden from our eyes till now. NASA scientists wanted these spacecraft to not only go to the planets, but also study the moons, atmosphere, and other special events there. This mission was not just a scientific discovery for humans, but it was a symbol of our curiosity and desire to understand space. Voyager 2's journey began by stepping into space thousands of kilometers away from Earth. First of all, it studied Jupiter closely. It sent pictures of the huge storms and large moons there to Earth. After this, it moved towards Saturn and sent information about its unique rings and mysterious moon, Titan. Voyager 2 did not stop its journey here. It reached Uranus and Neptune. These were two planets which had never been seen so closely before. This was the first time that humans saw the surface of these planets and their atmospheres so clearly. This spacecraft continued its journey for about 47 years. Slowly it moved towards that part of our solar system, which is called heliopause. This is the place where the influence of the sun ends and interstellar space begins. This was a completely unknown place for humans, where the environment is very different and dangerous from the Earth. Voyager 2 covered a distance of thousands of crores of kilometers during this journey, and during this time, it gave us such pictures and information about space, which was never possible before. Today, Voyager 2 stands at the edge of our solar system, right at the doorstep where a new world begins. Looking at old footage and graphics from NASA, we can feel that this journey is not just of a machine, but also of the infinite curiosity and courage of humans. This mission proves that when humans are determined, it is not impossible to reach the deepest secrets of the universe. What is the edge of the solar system? Imagine our solar system, i.e., the sun and all the planets revolving around it, moons, comets, and asteroids. All these exist inside a large bubble-like region. We call this bubble heliosphere. It is a protective shield made of the sun's energy and wind, which protects us from the dangerous rays and particles of space. Now, the outermost part of this shield, i.e., where the effect of the sun gradually ends, is called heliopause. This is the point where our solar wind and the wind of interstellar space collide with each other. In simple language, this is the border between our solar system and outer space. The space beyond the heliopause is called interstellar space. This is the region that is spread between the stars of our galaxy. There is neither the effect of the sun nor any effect of the planets here. This place is completely unknown and mysterious, where human access had not been made yet. It is like a person crossing the wall of his house for the first time and stepping into a whole new world. It was the same moment for Voyager 2 as well, when it stepped out of the influence of the sun and stepped towards the infinite space. The environment of this area is extremely dangerous and scary. There is deep darkness all around here, so deep that even light is not visible. The temperature is so low that the cold there is more than we can imagine. about several hundred degrees below zero. Apart from this, dangerous cosmic radiation, i.e. space rays, are constantly present at this place. This radiation is so powerful that if a person reaches there directly, then his body will be badly affected within a few seconds. This is the reason why this place is considered very mysterious and dangerous for humans. This area is special for scientists because it gives us a chance to understand the real mysteries of our universe. By going beyond the heliopause, we can know how far the effect of our sun is and what kind of forces work in outer space. When Voyager 2 stepped into this space, it was not just the journey of a machine, but the moment when a human stepped out of his courtyard for the first time. It makes us realize how vast and unknown our universe is, and that there are still countless mysterious worlds that are yet to be discovered. Mysterious signals of Voyager 2. When Voyager 2 crossed the edge of the solar system, i.e. heliopause, everything seemed normal. It was continuously sending data and pictures to the Earth. But suddenly, one day something happened which surprised the scientists. The signals that started coming from Voyager 2 were completely different and entangled. These were not normal data, but there were strange patterns and sounds in them. Initially, NASA scientists thought that perhaps this was some technical fault or the system of the spacecraft had gone wrong. But when they investigated deeply, they realized that this was not a simple fault, but something else mysterious. There were some strange frequencies in these signals, which did not match any natural source. It seemed as if someone was deliberately sending messages to Voyager 2 from there. Some signals were such that they were written in some code, which was very difficult to understand. NASA experts checked these data again and again, updated the software many times, but the result was the same. These signals were still mysterious. This was so surprising that the team of scientists kept this information secret at first, so that misunderstandings and panic do not spread. What was even more surprising was that Voyager 2 suddenly recorded sounds that had never been heard before. These sounds were slow, scary, and echoing. It seemed as if something gigantic was calling from a very far distance, or an alarm was ringing. When these sounds were amplified and listened to, patterns were found in it that did not match any natural phenomenon. Hearing all this, some NASA scientists believe that this may be a sign of an advanced civilization, while some believe that this is the result of some unknown natural phenomenon happening in space. Now the question arises, what do these signals point to? Is this just a strange phenomenon in space, or is someone trying to tell us that we are not alone? These mysterious messages from Voyager 2 have created a stir in the whole world. People are forced to think what is there on the edge of the solar system, which NASA is hiding from the world. And the biggest mystery is why Voyager 2 suddenly became silent after sending these signals. Did it come in contact with some unknown power? No one has the answer yet. NASA's first reaction. When these strange and mysterious signals from Voyager 2 reached Earth, the team of NASA scientists was in a state of panic. For some time, they kept these data quietly among themselves so that no rumors spread outside. But when the media got a hint that Voyager 2 had recorded something unusual, the pressure on NASA increased to give an official statement. Finally, NASA held a press conference and issued a very simple and confusing statement. They said that some strange signals have been received from Voyager 2, which may be due to technical fault or space radiation. They tried to call it a normal incident and tried to end the matter by saying that the investigation is still going on. But this statement raised more questions in people's minds. NASA's answer was so general and vague that it seemed like hiding the truth. The scientists neither clearly stated what type of signals they were, nor did they tell how much difficulty they were facing in understanding them. Seeing this silence and incomplete information, people started suspecting whether NASA was hiding something big. Why is an organization that always proudly presents its discoveries to the world behaving so mysteriously and quietly this time? The media also did not take the silence of NASA easily. Big news channels and journalists started raising questions on this incident. People also started discussing on social media whether NASA is deliberately hiding the real truth. Theories related to Voyager 2 started going viral on Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube. Some people started saying that this could be a sign of an alien civilization, while some believe that NASA has such evidence that can shake the whole world. NASA's mysterious attitude increased this suspense further. Whenever journalists asked them direct questions, their answer was always vague and incomplete. Sometimes they would just say that, "We are still investigating it, and as soon as we get any concrete information, we will share it." Hearing all this, the general public became more restless. It seemed that something had been found at the edge of the solar system, which the government and NASA wanted to keep secret at any cost. This silence made the discovery of Voyager 2 even bigger and more mysterious. Leaked files and data, NASA's silence on Voyager 2's mysterious signals, not only increased people's curiosity, but also raised many big questions. Meanwhile, suddenly some such files and pictures were leaked on the internet, which made the matter even more mysterious. These files included some pictures and data sent by Voyager 2, which NASA had never made public. As soon as it was leaked, it spread rapidly on social media and news platforms. These pictures showed things that were completely different from normal space events. In some pictures, strange and bright lights were seen coming from very far, as if a huge ship or structure was present there. In some pictures, it seemed as if a solid figure was slowly moving towards Voyager 2. Seeing these pictures, people started believing that these could be evidence of an alien civilization. Not only this, strange patterns and code-like signals were found in some leaked data. After seeing these codes, some scientists believe that these cannot be the result of any natural process. It seemed as if a message was sent by some advanced technology. Some whistleblowers working inside NASA also anonymously claimed that NASA has such evidence of Voyager 2 that can shake the whole world. They said that these evidences are being hidden so that panic does not spread among the general public and pressure on the government does not increase. Although NASA rejected these claims, the mystery deepened. Now the question was that if all this is fake, then why is NASA showing so much seriousness about them? After this incident, it became clear that there is definitely something on the edge of the solar system that is being hidden from the world. People were forced to think why NASA is so scared. Is this really an alien civilization, or something that is beyond our understanding? Theories of scientists. After the mysterious data and pictures of Voyager 2 came to light, a debate broke out among scientists. Some scientists believe that all this could be the result of natural events. They say that the area on the edge of the solar system is extremely dangerous and unusual. The temperature, gas, and cosmic radiation there can create strange lights and patterns. According to them, these strange signals may be part of some natural process, which we have not yet fully understood. They argue that humans have seen only a very small part of interstellar space so far, so it is wrong to associate every strange thing with alien civilization. On the other hand, some scientists have a completely different opinion. They say that these signals and pictures received from Voyager 2 cannot be the result of any normal event. They believe that the shapes and lights seen in these pictures could be evidence of an advanced civilization. They also said that the pattern of these signals is as if someone has deliberately sent a message. They claim that the universe is so vast that it would be wrong to believe that we are alone. If there can be life on Earth, then there can definitely be life in some other corner of the universe as well. And it is possible that Voyager 2 has come in contact with them for the first time. The tussle between these two views continues. Some scientists are constantly trying to prove that all this is natural, while others are saying that this is the beginning of some big discovery. This debate has not only divided the scientists, but also the general public into two parts. This situation has become even more exciting and mysterious for the audience. On one side are those scientists who are saying that there is nothing to worry about. This is all a game of nature. On the other side are those scientists who believe that we are not alone in the universe, and this discovery is the first proof of that truth. Now the question is, what is the real truth? Has Voyager 2 really found evidence of an advanced civilization, or is all this just the result of our imagination and fear? NASA's silence and leaked data have deepened this mystery. Only when more information comes out in the coming times, it will be decided whether this discovery will prove to be a boon for humanity or will become a new reason for fear. Potential danger and fear. The mysterious signals received from Voyager 2 excited the scientists as much as they scared them. Initially, all this seemed like just a mystery, but gradually when the pattern of these signals was understood in depth, some surprising things came to light. Some scientists believe that these signals are not just general information, but some kind of warning message may be hidden in them. It seems as if some unknown force is trying to tell or alert us something from a distance. The scariest thing is that there are some parts in these signals that are being repeated again and again, like a code or alarm. This further deepened the doubt that whether these messages are a sign of some danger. Many experts also said that if any advanced civilization exists on the edge of the solar system, then it is possible that Voyager 2 has entered their territory. It is like a stranger suddenly comes to our house and we immediately become alert. Another theory that increases this fear is someone watching us? Some scientists believe that there may be such powers in the universe that are thousands of years ahead of us. It is possible that they have noticed the activities of Voyager 2 and now they are testing us. This signal may also be a signal sent by them, which tells that they are keeping an eye on our every move. Another even more scary theory is that this may be the beginning of an invasion. This idea sounds filmy, but history has witnessed that whenever two civilizations have collided for the first time, the result has always been a conflict. If this signal is from an advanced civilization, then it is possible that they are warning us not to go further into their territory. NASA's silence and attitude of not telling the truth is increasing these fears further. When the public does not get clear information, rumors and speculations start increasing. This is the reason why this mystery of Voyager 2 is no longer just an issue of science, but it has become a cause of concern for the whole world. Social media and public reaction. As soon as the news of mysterious signals from Voyager 2 came out, there was a stir on social media. There was a flood of discussions on this topic on Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube. People started coming up with their own theories. Some believed that this is definitely a message from an alien civilization, while some people ignored it by calling it a natural phenomenon. But the most important thing was that the whole world suddenly became a part of this discussion. Many big threads were created on Reddit where users shared their thoughts about the signals received from Voyager 2. Some even presented their own theories by analyzing NASA's data. Some said that these signals are coming from outside the universe, while some claimed that this is the work of some unknown power hidden in our own solar system. Hashtags like Voyager 2 and alien signal started trending rapidly on Twitter. People were sharing short videos and clips in which Voyager 2's signals were seen. The data was being shown. Some people were accusing NASA of hiding the truth. At the same time, some people were presenting this mystery in a lighthearted manner by making funny memes. One meme read, "If aliens are really coming, then first give them the Wi-Fi password of the Earth." Many videos started coming on YouTube on this subject as well. Many content creators presented long theories on Voyager 2's signals. Some videos became so viral that millions of people started watching them. This made it clear that this matter is no longer limited to scientists only. It has become a subject of curiosity and fear for people all over the world. Social media added more depth to this mystery. While scientists were talking about evidence and data, common people were making it even bigger with their imaginations and stories. It became a subject that acted as a bridge between the scientific community and the general public. The biggest result of all this was that now more pressure increased on NASA. People started asking them questions continuously. We wondered, what is the truth? Are these signals signs of danger or just natural phenomena? Is NASA hiding some big secret from us? People in every corner of the world were discussing this mystery. Some were watching it with fear, while others were watching it with curiosity. But one thing was clear. This discovery of Voyager 2 was no longer just a matter of science, but had also become a question for the common people. This mystery had now taken root in the hearts and minds of every person. NASA's silence and political aspects after the mysterious signals related to Voyager 2 were revealed, the curiosity of the general public and the scientific community was increasing. But the strangest thing in this whole matter was the extremely silent and secretive attitude of NASA and the government. The statement that NASA had given in the beginning was so general and vague that people felt that something big was being deliberately hidden. After this, when the media and the public asked questions repeatedly, even then NASA only said that investigation is going on and did not give any concrete information. Many experts believe that the government and NASA are hiding all this so that panic does not spread among the people. If Voyager 2 has really discovered evidence of an alien civilization or a major threat, then as soon as this news spreads, chaos can spread in the world. Imagine, if suddenly we come to know that we are not alone in this universe, then it will not only affect science, but also religion, politics, and society. People can take wrong decisions in fear and panic. Apart from this, the political aspects of this discovery are also very big. If an alien civilization really exists, then this will not remain just a matter of science, but it will become a part of international politics. Big countries like America, Russia, China, and European Union can use this information as a weapon. It is possible that they may try to use this technology for their own benefit. This is the reason why many people believe that NASA and governments are making secret agreements among themselves to hide this information. This mysterious silence has deepened people's suspicion. Now, this matter is not limited to the discovery of Voyager 2, but it has become a question of the power balance of the world and the future of politics. Voyager 2's last message, Voyager 2, maintained contact with Earth for 47 years continuously and gave us countless information about the world outside the solar system. But suddenly, one day, scientists noticed that the signals coming from Voyager 2 started weakening gradually. Initially, it seemed that maybe it is a technical problem, or the spacecraft's battery is running out. But when the data was looked at carefully, everyone was shocked. Voyager 2's last message was very strange and mysterious. This message had patterns that did not seem like a natural malfunction. It felt as if the spacecraft had come in contact with some unknown force. There were strange buzzing sounds in some parts, as if someone was sending signals from a distance. The scariest thing was that at the end of the last signal, everything suddenly became completely silent. It seemed as if someone had suddenly shut down Voyager 2 or pulled its energy. This incident put scientists in deep suspense. They tried several times to reset the system and re-establish contact, but there was no success. It was as if Voyager 2 was lost in some mysterious darkness forever. Till date, it is not clear what the real meaning of that last message was. Was it just a technical fault, or did Voyager 2 see something that cannot be brought to the world? This mystery is so deep that even scientists are not able to tell it openly. This moment is very exciting and scary for the audience. Imagine, after running for 47 years, a spacecraft suddenly goes silent, and its last words are such that force us to think that we are not really alone in the universe. This last message of Voyager 2 will probably open the door to some big mystery in the future, but for now it remains one of the most mysterious puzzles in history. Grand recap and visual montage. This part of the video will take viewers on a fast-paced and exciting journey of the entire journey so far. Slow but suspenseful music will play in the background, which will gradually get louder. Old clips of Voyager 2's launch will be shown on the screen. The historic moment in 1977 when this small spacecraft departed from Earth. After this, quick cuts will show the main milestones of its journey: Jupiter's huge storms, Saturn's mysterious rings, the first glimpse of Uranus and Neptune, and finally the moment when Voyager 2 crosses the solar system's boundary, i.e. the heliopause. Then the montage will show glimpses of the strange signals that started this mystery. Sometimes pictures of strange shapes on the screen, and sometimes mysterious sounds are heard. In between, short clips of NASA's press conferences, where officials are seen giving vague answers. Flashbacks of social media posts also flash across the screen. Twitter threads, Reddit discussions, and YouTube video clips to show that the issue is now a topic of discussion around the world. At the end of the montage, the screen goes black, and a soft voice reverberates in the background. Voyager 2's journey is about to reveal humanity's greatest secrets, but are we ready to know the truth? There's a few seconds of silence after this line, so that viewers can let the question sink in. The big reveal. Now comes the moment viewers have been waiting for the entire video. The reveal of Voyager 2's discovery, which has been kept secret until now. The screen slowly fills with light, and then a mysterious image appears. It is the last image that Voyager 2 sent, and which NASA never made public. This image shows not an ordinary space scene, but a huge structure, something that doesn't look natural at all. It looks like an artificial object or space station, which is shining in the dark from a distance. Some secret sources inside NASA say that this picture points to the evidence of an advanced civilization. It seems as if it is a sign that someone out there has been watching us for a long time. The scariest thing is that Voyager 2's last signal contained strange sounds, whose pattern resembled a language. Some experts believe that it was probably someone's message, but it could not be decoded till now. This part will be kept extremely dramatic to make the audience's heart beat faster. The pictures will be slowly shown on the screen, and a slow, mysterious sound will resonate in the background. Then suddenly a word appears on the screen. Warning. After this revelation, many questions arise. Has Voyager 2 really discovered evidence of an alien civilization? Is it just a signal or a warning? And the biggest question, why did NASA hide all this till now? This part of the video makes the audience think deeply. They realize that this discovery is not just a matter of science, but a question of the future of all humanity. At the end of the video, a final mysterious line is heard. Perhaps we are not alone in the universe, and perhaps someone has been watching us for a long time. With this, the screen slowly sinks into darkness, and only the faint shadow of Voyager 2 remains, disappearing into the depths of space. Big question for the audience. After this mysterious journey of Voyager 2 and the surprising discoveries related to it, the biggest question now is what was actually found at the edge of the solar system. Is it just a scientific discovery which contains new information and secrets of natural phenomena? Or is it something that is much bigger and scarier than we can imagine? Imagine if Voyager 2 has really seen evidence of an advanced civilization, then it will mean that we are not alone in this universe. This idea itself can change our understanding of the whole world. But if all this is just a scientific experiment, then why are NASA and the government so mysterious and silent about it? This silence in itself raises many questions. So now we want to ask you, what do you think Voyager 2 must have discovered? Is it just scientific data that we have not been able to understand yet? Or is it a message from another world? Do tell us your opinion in the comments, because your thinking can help in understanding this mystery more deeply. Friends, this story makes us realize how vast and mysterious the universe is. This journey of Voyager 2 was not just the journey of a machine, but was a symbol of the curiosity and courage of humanity. But even today, many questions remain unanswered. NASA's silence and the mysterious signals constantly emerging prove that this story is not over yet. If you like this video and want to know the truth of more such mysteries, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that as soon as we bring a new discovery or mysterious story, it reaches you first. And yes, in the next video, we will show you the footage about which it is being said that NASA does not want to bring it in front of the world at any cost. That footage is such that it can change our understanding, our beliefs, and even the future of humanity forever. So stay connected with us, because this mystery is not over yet. This is just the beginning. Will NASA bring out the truth, or will this mystery remain in the dark forever? You will get the answer to this question in our next video.